Want to create a stunning gold text effect in Canva? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it using a free app inside Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the text and click on Add a Heading. Type the text you want to apply the gold effect to. Let's increase the size a little bit so it's easier to see. Now, go to the fonts and choose a font style that you like. Resize the text a bit more if needed, so we can work with it comfortably. Once your text is ready, go to the apps and search for a free app called Magic Morph. Click to install it. After it's installed, follow these steps. First, select the text you just created. Next, describe the style you want. For example, I want a metallic gold look, so I type metallic gold here. Then click on Magic Morph. It will take a few seconds to process. Once it's done, it will show you 4 different styled images. Pick the one you like, add it to your design, and resize it as needed. Now you can delete the original text. To make the gold effect pop, let's add a dark background. And there you go. Look how cool and shiny that gold text effect looks. All done inside Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.